and gentlemen, it is my honor to invite the Honourable Speaker of Parliament to read the warrant of appointment.
To all whom these presents shall come, greetings. Whereas the office of the President is established under Section 81 of the Constitution of the Republic of Fiji. Whereas Section 83 of the Constitution of the Republic of Fiji sets out the qualification for appointment to the office of the President. And whereas Section 84 of the Constitution of the Republic of Fiji provides for the appointment of the President of the Republic of Fiji by Parliament and sets out procedures for the appointment of the President of the Republic of Fiji. Now, therefore, I, Chico Fatafehe Mureni, Speaker of the Parliament of the Republic of Fiji, hereby certify that in accordance with the Constitution of the Republic of Fiji, Parliament of the Republic of Fiji has appointed for a term of 3 years Jioji Konousi Konrote, Major General, Officer of the Order of Fiji Military Division, Military Cross for Gallantry, United Kingdom, Brother of the Order of St. John of Jerusalem, United Kingdom, Meritorious Service Decoration, UNIFIL Peace Medal, Fiji Independent Medal, Order of Merit, Italy, and Order of Cedar, Lebanon. Being a person qualified under the Constitution of the Republic of Fiji and eminently suitable for the appointment to the high office of President of the Republic of Fiji, given under my hand this 12th day of November 2015 and sealed with the seal of the Parliament of the Republic of Fiji.
Your Excellencies, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, it is now my honor to invite the Honourable Chief Justice to administer the oath of allegiance and the oath for due execution of office.
I, Jioji Konousi Konrote, swear that I will be faithful and bear true allegiance to the Republic of Fiji according to law, and I will obey, observe, uphold, and maintain the Constitution of the Republic of Fiji, so help me God. I, Jioji Konousi Konrote, swear that I will be faithful and bear true allegiance to the Republic of Fiji, and that I will obey, observe, uphold, and maintain the Constitution to the Republic of Fiji and all other laws of Fiji, and I will devote myself to the well-being of the Republic of Fiji and all Fijians, protect and promote their rights, and well and truly serve the Republic of Fiji in the office of the President. So help me God. you.